Hello everyone, today we will focus on the key installation steps of the FS32-64 Channel NVR, specifically installing the wired hard drive and securely mounting the NVR onto the rack. This video will guide you through the operation step by step. When installing, please note to avoid the hard drive colliding with the NVR case and avoid squeezing and damaging the NVR cable. First, let's take a look at the installation accessories corresponding to the installation method. Before starting the installation, the above tools need to be prepared. Next, let's start the specific installation. Step 1. Install the wired hard drive. First, turn the NVR to the rear panel. Unscrew the 2 screws on the NVR, then remove the rear cover. Unscrew the screws connecting the NVR to the upper bracket and remove the bracket. Align the screw holes of the bracket with the hard drive and tighten the screws. Align the groove of the bracket with the protruding part of the NVR and insert it. Tighten the screws on the side of the bracket. Then connect the power and data cable to the hard drive and connect the data cable to the NVR. It is necessary to ensure that the corresponding wire is plugged into the correct socket. Finally, cover the rear cover and tighten the screws. Step 2. Install the NVR onto the rack. There are 2 ways to install the 32-64 channel NVR onto the rack, and the standard 19-inch rack is generally selected. Method 1. Installation with hangers. Fix the hangers to the NVR with screws. Please install the mounting ears firmly. Install cage nuts on the rack. The cage nut needs to be installed from the inside of the rack to the outside. Fix the hangers to the rack with screws. Method 2. Installation on tray. After finishing cage nuts installation, align the tray mounting ears with the rack cage nut holes. Then pull out the tray and place the NVR on it. Finally, push the tray back into the rack. Plug in the power supply and network cable. Turn on the NVR switch. When the run and the net indicator lights on the left are constantly lit in blue, and the HD indicator light flashes twice and then goes out, it indicates that the NVR is ready and can be configured. After the installation is completed, you can log into the web page and check the hard drive installation status according to the following steps. First, use the FS Management tool to find the NVR address. Please note that the computer IP address and NVR must be configured to the same network segment. Then click Remote Web to access the web interface, enter the default username and password admin and update the password. Next, click Setup and Hard Disk to view the hard drive information. Finally, click Format to initialize the hard drive until the hard disk status is displayed as normal after refreshing. So that's it for 32-64 channel NVR installation. We'll get into more things you're interested in later on. Bye.